Check out this 2013 Audi A8. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are anti-lock brakes, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, tilt wheel, child seat anchor, power windows, rear window defroster, compact disc player and alloy wheels. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.